everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Tumblr account's password. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping in order to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to reset your Tumblr account's password when you've forgotten your password during the sign-in process, follow the steps. Tap open your Tumblr application, or you can simply go to your web browser and type in www.tumblr.com and go to the sign-in page. Once you reach the sign-in page, log into your account like you normally do. Go and tap on the login button and enter your email address in the text field you see. After you're done, tap on continue. You can either use send magic link or tap on enter password in order to enter the password for your account. In order to reset your password, you'll need to go check your email address that you registered during the sign-up process, and you'll be sent a link to reset your password. Tap on submit at the upper right in order to receive the link. Go ahead and check your email and you'll receive a link to reset your password on Tumblr. Tap on reset password and you'll be taken to this page right here where you can enter your new password for your Tumblr. Soon after you do that, go to the next field and confirm the new password that you just created. After you do that, tap on Set New Password and you'll be able to reset your password for your Tumblr account. Next time you log in, make sure to type in the new password you just created. Now, go ahead and open your app and tap on the login button and enter your new password for your account. After you do that, tap on Login at the upper right. And you've done it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.